To understand the Indian polity, we must first try to understand the structure of Indian polity. Let's first look at union level or the first tier of governance. At the top is the President of India. Below the President, there are three separate organs, namely the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The President is the head of the Indian state. Legislature comprises of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. President is also part of the legislature, as any bill becomes an act only after the President gives his assent. The executive comprises of the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. And the judiciary comprises of the Supreme Court. Now let's look at the second tier or the state level. There are 28 states in the Union of India. But all these states have a uniform framework of governance. At the top is the governor. Below the governor are three separate organs, the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary. The legislature comprises of the State Legislative Assembly and the State Legislative Council for some states. The executive has the Council of Ministers headed by the Chief Minister. And the judiciary comprises of the High Court. At the third tier or the local governance, there are urban local bodies for urban areas and Panchayati Raj institutions for rural areas. And of course, there are the district courts. Examples of urban local bodies are municipal corporation, municipality, Nagar Panchayat, etc. The Panchayati Raj institutions include the Jilla Parishad at the district level, Panchayat Samiti at the Tehsil level, and the Gram Panchayat at the village level. The purpose of the Panchayati Raj institutions is democratic decentralization. At the bottom of all these structures are the citizens of India. Now the basic image of the Indian polity is created. So now most of the topics that we will study about Indian polity can be understood through this image. For example, the separation of these organs is known as separation of powers. And the distribution of subjects between union and the states is known as the division of powers. The center-state relations are known as the federal relations or federalism. So now where do the IAS, IPS officers fit in this image? The civil servants form the permanent executive of the Indian polity. But now the real question is, who decided all this? Who decided the structure of Indian polity? So above everything else, even above the President of India, is the Constitution of India. The Constitution provides the framework for making laws in our country. But then, who made the Constitution? What is its historical background? We will study these topics in the upcoming videos. Thank you.